Hello! GE has changed its worm-like tunneling robot with highly sensitive hairs that mimic the whiskers of a cockroach, giving it improved perception skills for industrial pipeline monitoring, inspection and repair. The pipeworm, GE's latest adaptation of their autonomous gigantic earthworm robot, is the Programmable Worm for Irregular Pipeline Exploration. The recently exhibition at the company's Niskayuna research site, where it traveled 100 meters of pipe. The pipeworm used its whiskers to travel twists as well as variation in the pipe diameter and attitude throughout the performance. The robot detects twists, elbows, junctions, pipe diameter and pipe orientation using artificial intelligence and sensory data collected via its whiskers. This data is used to create a map of the network. Cockroach whiskers are extremely sensitive, allowing them to detect even minute changes in the air and surroundings. Deepak Trivedi, a software robotics expert at GE Research who oversaw the creation of pipeworm, said, GE's pipeworm takes the notion of the plumber's drain snake to a whole new level. This AI-enabled autonomous robot can check and perhaps repair pipelines on its own, breaking up the creation of solid waste messages like fatbergs, which is a persistent problem in many of our nation's sewage system. We gave it cockroach-like hairs on its body, which substantially improves its vision and allows it to make quick bends or navigate through the dark unknown parts of pipeline network. Pipeworm, like the autonomous huge earthworm robot, has powerful fluid-powered muscles that allow it to do heavy-duty tasks. The Underminer program of the Defense Advanced Research Project Agency granted GE Research a 15 months $2.5 million project in 2020 to show the viability of the robot similar to the pipeworm. Military activities can also benefit from the robot person's pipe capabilities. Worms are being explored by GE researchers, robotic and autonomous team for various inspections and repairs applications such as jet engines and power turbines in the aviation and power industries. This application, according to the Trivedi, would entail a scaled-down version of the robot. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for future videos.